Hi, I'm Holly Ritchie, the Senior Marketing Manager for ATS Industrial Automation. We're located here at our global head office on 730 Fountain Street North in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Let's go on in and take a look. Here in Cambridge, innovation happens on a big scale. Our operations span nearly 50,000 square meters across 6 buildings, 3 right here on this campus, and the remaining 3 just minutes away. Inside these walls, over 1,000 talented people bring ideas to life. From concepts to fully automated solutions, you'll find the perfect mix of expertise. Around 40% are engineers and technologists, another 40 are skilled trades professionals, and the remaining 20 drive our business through management and support roles. This is where innovation meets execution, where we partner with customers to design, build, and test the automation technologies shaping the future. We're proud to call Cambridge home, and we look forward to collaborating with you on what's next. Welcome to ATS Industrial Automation.